Construction is on pause this weekend, but this is Telegraph Cove today, showing how much of the boardwalk has been rebuilt.
They have got a walkway path almost down to where the Prince of Wales building was. They've got all of the piles still have to be driven in there. So it's coming along really well.
At the end of December, a massive fire destroyed about a third of the boardwalk and a number of buildings, including the renowned Whale Interpretive Centre. It contained a number of skeletons, including those of a minke, fin, and baby orca whale. Last Wednesday, a dead whale was found along McNeil Bay in Port McNeil. It was initially believed to be a minke whale until closer examination revealed it was much more rare.
They actually identified it as a Brutus whale, and that was very rare. So that was very exciting.
In fact, it's the first time a Brutus whale has been documented so far north, and the Numgees First Nation held a blessing ceremony for the whale.
We were very fortunate and very overwhelmed and overcome when First Nations at the blessing ceremony said that they would gift us the whale.
We've never recorded a Brutus whale in BC waters before, so it's special in that sense, but also it will have an immense educational capacity to with folks coming through the centre. So we're just so excited about this.
On Sunday, they spent the day processing the whale's bones before sending them to Salt Spring Island for further cleaning. And after the Whale Interpretive Centre is rebuilt, it will be on display for all to see.
Providing education to the public about its species, but also the overall conservation of marine mammals. So we're just so excited about that.
Through scientific analysis, they say they'll be able to learn a lot about this whale, and that will be central to educating visitors for generations to come.